Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 6 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is the sketch we're going to use today. It's actually a double page. I've just screenshot the centerpiece. So we're going to use 3 photos. They are not the best photos of me, but this is how my dog was sleeping. Like a human. She's cute. That's how I woke up and I had to take the pictures. So it's like pitch black in the room and it's just horrible. My personal prompt for the day is to use paintbrush strokes. So we're going to pull in some Delusions paint in Fiery Sunset, Lemon Zest, and Squeezed Orange. My husband is getting out of the shower and he's going to come out saying something weird to the dogs, just so you know, because that's who he is as a person. And I'm going to use this scrap room kit from November of 2023. I'm trying to get them all used up and I'm almost done. I have 2 left. So I have, this is the photo play. I have some embellishments here. Scrap of paper, sticker sheet. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. More scraps. Lots of scraps today. One 12 by 12 sheet and a piece of brown cardstock. So we can put the paintbrush strokes on this one and see if we want to kind of get that on here somehow. Let's trim that. Let's see. What if we make it... Nope, I didn't think so. So we're just going to trim the branding strip off of that. Let's trim the branding strip off of the cardstock. And we'll trim the branding strip off of this as well. Because what I think we'll do is with something like that, and then we'll have this kind of in the middle. So what was this? That was 12. All right. So we'll take 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches. Okay. And then we'll have all of these bigger scraps that we can actually make one full layout with. So we're just going to pop this in on the top and bottom. Oh man. Hold please. I totally realized what I wanted to, why I cut that. So I don't want it to be 12. I want it to be right there. Okay. Then we're going to place this like so there. I'm just really eyeballing it, you guys. I think you figured that out. Alright, so we have that, and then this we need to trim. to the 11 1/4. And I always adhere it down before I do the mixed media, otherwise it will warp and you will never get it straight. Are you ready to go, honey? All right, give me a minute. So close. All right, so let's just smidge off a little bit of this because I didn't quite get it. So it kind of blends in, right? Yes, that made it worse, but I'm okay with it. I just don't want it to overhang right here, so. I'm just using my X-Acto knife just to kind of do that. And we'll figure something out. Maybe make it whoa. I'm gonna stop because the more I mess with it, the worse it's gonna be, and it's really only I can tell it's there. You guys can tell because I'm pointing it out to you, but outside of that, I don't think it looks that bad. All right, let's mix these up. And so, like, one photo is going to go there, one photo is going to go here, and one photo is going to go up there. All right. So, just going to run paint right on the edge of the brush because I want some paint strokes just right there. Don't judge me because my water is going to be dirty. I'm just going to clean the brush out. There's, oh, I made a mess. Not cool. Alright. I'm going to dry my brush off. And we're going to come in with the orange and do the same thing. I was just running it along the edge of the desk. Kind of blending it together. It's too much surface area on my brush here. Okay. One more time, and then see we've just got a little bit of the paint strokes. And we'll come in with the yellow and finish it, whoa. And finish that off. Okay. And very carefully clean my brush out again. And we are going to have to go change the waters after this. stick that in there so that it drains. And we will let this dry. But we've got our paintbrush strokes. I do hope you can see that. So I did it that way because the photos, like I said, are going to sit like here and there. I'm going to trim them down, obviously. So I'm going to let this dry, and we'll be right back. Alright, so just to let you know, I have had people complain about this, but I started the layout. My husband wasn't feeling good yesterday, and he fell asleep on the couch, which is like right there, and I don't have a door in my craft room, so I couldn't talk because I didn't want to bother him because he wasn't feeling good. So I went ahead and finished the layout, you guys. So as you remember, this was the double page spread that I used. So this one, sorry, this one, double page spread, and I used the center. I did flip it to make it work for me. I had my paintbrush strokes in there after it dried. I went ahead and got the two photos on this side because B is facing this way in the solo picture, so I didn't want her over here looking off the page. And then, so I've got this over here, so I did use some of my stash from my gem and enamel dot bin that is overflowing. I used this strip here and the other portion of the strip over here, so got that on there. This was a tag. I cut the top off and stuck it up there with some twine, put a little umbrella. We popped some stuff up on some foam. Got that all nicely stuck down. I do have these cute little glitter gemmy halfback things on there as well. Created a fun little cluster here. Up here is where my title is. It says Blessed. I had one extra little paw print that was sticking up too far, so I just stuck it over here. And then I got a whole bunch of I'm Nuts About You, Hey Pumpkin, Family, So Very Thankful, Fuzzy Socks, Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, It's Fall Y'all, Leaves Are Falling, Autumn Is Calling, Crisp Air, you know, all the good stuff there. And that's it, you guys. That is the layout. So don't forget to check everybody else out that's playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And I will see you guys later with another video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Bye.